Kalau David, okay. Good evening, everyone, and good evening, sir. We are from Group 4. We want to present about link range multiplier method to minimize investment cost of spare part inventory model with customer differentiation. Next slide, please. And the member is my name is Kara Patricia Simarmata, and my friend is Melvina Salsabila and Teresia Citra Wulandari.
Okay, so next is the introduction. This thesis investigates minimizing spare parts inventory investment by considering customer class differences based on fill rate using the Lagrange multiplier method. The focus is on 10 main components of a server machine from PT XYZ with data following a Poisson distribution. The aim is to form a spare parts inventory model that differentiates customer classes and minimizes the total cost of spare parts inventory. The benefits of this approach include a more efficient and cost-effective inventory management strategy. Next slide, please. And this is for the literature review. The first is inventory management. Inventory management is crucial for businesses dealing with spare parts, categorized as non-repairable, partially repairable, or fully repairable. Effective control involves planning, executing, and supervising to meet operational needs and optimize investment. Costs include purchasing, ordering, holding, damage, loss, and safety stock costs, with lead time varying based on spare parts nature. Next slide. And then the next literature review is about the multi-echelon technique for recoverable item control or metric theory. The metric theory is a mathematical optimization problem for spare parts distribution networks, focusing on optimizing inventory levels and minimizing back orders at distributor levels. It uses queuing theory to solve inventory problems and maximize spare part availability. Next slide, please.
So this is a Poisson distribution. A Poisson experiment is an experiment that calculates the probability of a random variable x occurring in a specific time or area using Euler's number, average rate of expected value, and variance. Poisson experiment exhibit the following characteristic. Fx equal to p, x equal to e, lambda x over x where x 0, 1, 2, 3, a is the Euler's number, a 2 2.718, and the lambda is an average of the expected value, and lambda equal to variance, also lambda more greater than 0. The variable x denoting the number of occurrences in a Poisson experiment is called a Poisson random variable, and its probability distribution is termed the Poisson distribution. Next. And the next is queuing theory. Queuing theory establishes queue when customer arrive at a service facility. Forming a line, servers select customer from the queue for service with the process repeating after each service completion. This theory is instrumental in analyzing various aspects of core system factors: arrival distribution, service time distribution, service facility design, service discipline, queue size, calling source, and customer behavior. Next. Lagrange multiplier method. The Lagrange multiplier method optimizes objective function with constraint, transforming constrained function into simpler, unconstrained ones using Lagrange multipliers del f x y equal to lambda del g x y. This method relaxes constraint using Lagrange multiplier, simplifies multi-item inventory problems, and ensures optimal solutions are minimum by verifying objective and constraint function convexity. Next. So this is the list of notation that we use. And this is our research method. And the first is problem identification, and then mathematical model formation. After that, we simulation the phase, and at the end, final stage.
And next is the analysis and discussion. So establishing a parts approval model based on metric theory, this section considers variation in customer classes to determine the optimal inventory for each part, minimize costs, and improve service levels. Next slide. So for the first step is to model the objective function. Assuming one warehouse stores spare parts for customers, each product comprising 10 main components is treated as identical. Customer demand following a Poisson distribution is denoted by I equal to 1, 2, and so on for products, and J equals to 1, 2, and so on for customer classes. And we get this formula. Next slide.
The second stage, analyze the model. Solving optimization problems for each spare part type independently using Lagrange multiplier and conducting critical level analysis by equating base stock to pipeline stock plus physical stock to calculate minimum queue stock, substituting row ASME and GTI for spare parts opportunities, then applying Lagrange reflection through integration. And we can see the result. The equation is this one. And the next. Next, third stage, perform optimization with Lagrange multiplier. After getting the Lagrange result, use the integral to get the minimum function value. We can write like this, and we can put the variable to the equation, and we get the result, and OPT, and this one, the result. Next, the fourth stage, perform customer class, grouping the and demand distribution test, the calculate the minimum spare parts inventory. In summary, observation, costs include image-related expense such as equipment, purchase, processing, and printing, as well as file-related costs like transportation and labor wages. And we can write this the variable like this, and we can put the function to the equation, and we can get the result. P is 416.9026. And the conclusion, the metric theory-based spare parts inventory model optimize minimal inventory levels by considering customer class difference. This approach reduces cost by 6.4% and minimize potential big order risk. The model's effectiveness depends on customer segmentation, which should align with customer demand. Future research should consider customer demand quantity and explore methods like rationing policy and the optimal number of plots for picture translation, and file overview is 149 for picture understanding and 14 for file review, and 153 for picture understanding and 20 for file study. Okay, this all from us. Thank you.